So I'm gonna be talking a little bit low because it's like 12 o'clock and my parents have gone to bed and I can't sleep because I'm in a room where the room is facing towards the street and there's two big windows at the corner, and it's very concerning that someone it's not reasonable, I guess I could say, thought, but I'm still concerned that somebody could uh, get in the room because trauma. But today, that is not what we're going to be talking about. Today, I want to talk about my insecurities. So, I decided to make this video because I have become more insecure because there's more time to be sitting around and doing nothing because of quarantine, because we've either lost our jobs, schools have closed, and we're all in online classes, or we can't find a job, or we're unemployed. And so I was in college, but around, I'd say March, like the middle of March, I dropped out of college because I've never done online classes and it was overwhelming and it was affecting my mental health because I wasn't able to. I was in an English course, and although it was helping me develop better writing skills, like professionally, I guess, writing better, it was affecting my mental health because in my household, it's just my mom and I, and my mom speaks only Spanish, and she can't really understand English, so she's unable to help me with the basics of her helping me understand my homework assignments. So that's why I dropped out. So I had nothing else to do and I was bored. And so I was spending more time looking at myself in the mirror, which I don't really do a lot. And I started noticing more defects on myself. I started body shaming myself because I have been always underweight because of health issues and because I was born premature. And my family has always told me, you're too skinny, you should be gaining weight. And that was overwhelming and not helping me. So I also have started to tell myself that I'm too skinny, that I shouldn't be this way. I know it, but there's reasons for it. It's not that I have a eating disorder. I just have a low appetite, and so I have been trying to improve my appetite by eating more, having like not smaller portions, but eating more often. And it has been helping me a little bit, but also because of quarantine, I have been losing weight. Not a lot, but I have been losing weight. Another thing is the sound of my voice is a little bit of an issue for me because I have been told I sound younger, and I am 20 years old. I'll be 21 soon. I'm 21 years old, or 20 years old, and I have been told I look like a 14-year-old. I have been told I look younger than 14 years old. And because of my voice, I don't sound like an adult. It can be bothering when people say, "Oh, you sound younger," or when people call me, "Oh, young lady." It can bother me, so I'm trying to not shame myself for things I can't control. The sound of my voice I can't control. My body weight in my body weight, me gaining weight rapidly, isn't in my control. The way I look isn't in my control, and I know I shouldn't be it shouldn't be affecting me, but it is, because again, we're in quarantine. So I have been having more time to look at my imperfections. And it has been easy. It has been affecting my mental health, but I have been working on not being as bad with it, and not me realizing that I can't have control over certain things and how I look in certain ways. So things I have been doing for that is just telling myself that I am pretty, that I'm not perfect, but nobody else is. That my weight issue isn't as bad as people are making it seem, and it has been helping. There are some things I have been doing to improve my mental health and my emotional health. With that, I think I'll make another video about me doing certain things to improve my mental and emotional health during quarantine and just any situation. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. I have been looking at myself more, but at the same time telling myself that I can't control how I look. And if people don't like it, then that's the problem. But yeah, I have been having low self-esteem issues for the past 3 weeks, I'd say. But I have been trying to improve that. If you also have issues with body image, do not feel bad. Do not tell yourself negative things, because the more you tell yourself negative things, the more your mind is going to tell you to believe it, and that is not the case. Because we are all unique in our own ways, and we are all different, and that's okay. So that's all. I didn't really plan on what direction exactly this video was going to go to. I know there was a lot of rambling, but I think I'll make another video this week talking about things I have been doing to improve my mental and emotional health, especially because I struggle with anxiety and depression, and quarantine has been making it worse because I have been stuck at home and I can't look for jobs anymore because I was previously doing that. I can't go to college anymore. And yeah, so stay tuned. I'll be back in a few days with another video. Thank you.